Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two real estate marketplaces. First one is Redfin and the second one is Zillow. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this product and then we're going to compare them and try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So, what is Zillow? Zillow is an online real estate marketplace and one of the most visited sites when it comes to finding house listings and comparing housing values in the United States. In the last quarter of 2020, this platform received more than 2.2 billion visitors. Unlike Redfin, Zillow allows for sale by owner or FSBO listings, which give sellers a chance to save on agents' fees. FSBO's listings also mean that you can find unique listings on Zillow that aren't available on other popular sites. When it comes to iBuying, Zillow has an option called Zillow Offers. It allows you to make cash offers to sellers to expedite your closing date. This alternative operates in over 25 markets. And to take advantage of it, sellers need to submit an eligible form. Basically, Zillow is everything that you need to buy, rent or sell a house in US under one roof. If we go to buy, we can check the homes for sale. And here you can easily pick a place where you want to buy a house. For example, let's go to Minnesota. This is very intuitive. You can just scroll in or scroll down. And straight away you see 500 agent listings, 128 other listings. So we just can pick it up. Once you hover over the house, you can see it on the map where it is. But let's take a look on this one next to the lake. And you see all the photos, access road, and I believe this is just a land. Yeah. But you can go like this and basically find anything you like or buy. This is a very nice one, but this is like a big estate. Well, anyhow, you can also go for rental buildings in Minnesota. Well, obviously the best options are in Minneapolis. Then you can sell, go to home loans or agent finder. So it's actually very easy to work in it, and it's also it's intuitive, very easy. The differences are on the fees, obviously. And how about Redfin? Redfin is a brokerage platform that only operates in some cities across the United States. This site has agents that work on lower commission rates than average realtors. That's why if you are selling property, a site like Redfin might benefit you by saving you thousands in real estate commissions. When buying a home through this site, you might get a buyer's rebate when closing your transaction. Redfin also has iBuying service called Redfin Now. This tool allows buyers to make a cash offer and close on the deal they're interested in faster than when using the service of traditional realtor. Additionally, this platform offers a Redfin refund when connecting buyers with Redfin realtors who offer cashback offers when closing on deal based on the actual cost of the property and other market conditions when applicable. Also, when you go through the Redfin You can buy with Redfin. Also, this is a little bit more like a real estate agency. It's not that intuitive like Zillow, at least from my point of view. So maybe you are asking, well, which one is better? Well, both Zillow and Redfin are trustworthy companies that provide excellent solutions to buyers and sellers alike. As for the best choice, it all depends on your particular needs. Keep in mind that Redfin might be able to offer more accuracy when it comes to their estimates based on the tools they use to gather pricing information. They can also get you lower prices since they are discount brokerage with experience negotiating rebates and lower commissions. However, if you want to find a unique listing and are willing to deal with the seller directly rather than an agent, Zillow might be the way to go. So if you have any more questions, guys, about these two, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.